Good day everyone, I'm Joshua Clement and this is how to repair a cracked wall corner. A lot of times what happens with the settling of a house or the vibrations of people walking around, your corners crack because that's one of the weakest points in the wall. I'm going to show you how to fix that. For this job I'm going to be using a caulking gun with some painter's caulk. I'm going to cut your angle so that way it fits right into the corner. You'll also be needing a paper towel. First thing you want to do is make sure that the corner is clear of all dust and debris. If you have some dust in there, it's going to keep the caulk from sticking to the corner right. So you want to make sure it's nice and clean. Then we're going to take our caulking gun, put it right into the corner. We're going to start squeezing out a small bead of caulk right into the corner. After your caulk is put into your corner, we're going to take our finger, put it right over top of the caulk in the corner, put a little bit of pressure, and run your finger down the corner. Then the excess caulk on your finger, you can go ahead and use your paper towel to wipe that off. Then we'll do it a second time, making sure that no caulk has gone past the corner and sticking to the wall. We want it nice and smooth, so we'll put a little bit more pressure. Do the same thing. Repairing a corner like this is a lot less messy than having to get out new tape and mud and try to bed that corner back in. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.